A very good morning. Today our goal will be present for our subject EMS557 building management and maintenance practice, which our case study is at Menara section 13 inshallah. So before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Najwa binti Muhammad Anwar.
My name is Nur Shazliana binti Sabtu.
My name is Nurul Almaisara binti Muhammad Rashid.
My name is Nur Safia binti Ramdi.
The first presenter, I will start with the introduction, which is building maintenance management is very important because it ensures that a building remains safe, functional and efficient throughout its life cycle. Proper maintenance not only preserves the value of the building but also provides a comfortable and safe environment for residents, visitors and other stakeholders. For this assignment, our group selected Menara U in section 13 Shah Alam as our case study. We chose this building because it is a mixed-use development with active daily operation and wide range of facilities, making it suitable for evaluating maintenance management practice. Before conducting the site visit, we requested permission from the building management to carry out interview and building inspection. During the visit, we interviewed the building manager to get information about the building's maintenance procedures and operational challenges. We also conduct a physical inspection to observe the overall condition of the facilities and identify any visible maintenance issues. Based on the information we collected, the study aims to evaluate the current maintenance management practice at Menara U and identify existing maintenance problem, propose recommendation to improve the building's performance, safety and operational efficiency. So now we continue with the building information that I said before. Menara U is located in section 13 Shah Alam, Selangor, that has been operating for approximately 13 years, and it is a mixed-use building, accommodates commercials and supporting activities within one development. Due to the continuous daily occupancy and high operational demand, the building requires efficient maintenance management to ensure all facilities and building system remain functional, safe and comfortable for occupants and visitors. Therefore, regular maintenance and monitoring are essential to reduce building deterioration and maintain the overall performance, operational, efficient and sustainability of the building. Moreover, for the surrounding and neighborhood, that our subject property, which is in one of the city's active commercial areas, the building is surrounded by various facilities, including Ion Mall Shah Alam, which is approximately 1 kilometers away, and Management and Science University, located about 650 meters from the property. And we can also, from the location map that I have attached, there are also nearby residential and office development that contributes to the continuous movement of people in the area. In addition, Menara U has good accessibility through major roads such as the Federal Highway and the New Klang Valley Expressway, that making it convenient for occupants and visitors. As a result, efficient maintenance management is essential to support the building continuous daily operation. Next, this slide shows the building profiles of Menara U. The building is classified as a mixed-use development that accommodates various commercial and supporting activities. The management office consists of 5 staff members, including 2 in-house technicians who are responsible for handling maintenance and technical issues. And then the Menara U adopt both preventive and corrective maintenance to ensure that building facilities and system remains in good condition. Maintenance record and managed using both digital documents and physical board tracking system. In addition, monthly inspections are carried out using a checklist to monitor the condition of building facilities and ensure the maintenance activities are performed effectively. Furthermore, for the building system, Menara U is managed by a management corporation or MC, which is responsible for overseeing the building's daily operation, maintenance activities and overall condition. Since the building accommodates different types of users and commercial activities, its building system requires regular maintenance and continuous monitoring. The main building system include the lift system, fire protection system, escalators, electrical system, plumbing, security and the HVAC system. To ensure this system operates safely and efficiently, major maintenance works are outsourced to specialized contractors with the necessary technician expertise. This have ensured that maintenance activities comply with the safety standards and scheduled maintenance requirements.
Moving on, building design features. Firstly, Menara U is a high-rise residential building with a large number of residential units. This design maximizes land use but also increase maintenance requirements. Regular inspections are needed for the building structure, facade and roof, and common areas. In addition, lift maintenance is very important because resident depends on lifts every day. Poor maintenance quality often leads to resident complaint and unresolved building defects. Secondly, Menara U is a mixed-use development that combines residential unit with retail spaces. Since it is located near a higher education institution, many residents are students. So, shared facilities such as lifts, corridor and study room experience heavy usage, leading to faster wear and tear. The high turnover of student tenants also increased maintenance work during units handover. Thirdly, the building provides various facilities and amenities, including a swimming pool, gymnasium, playground, parking area, and security facility. This facility improves residents' quality of life but require regular maintenance to remain safe and functional. More facilities generally result in higher maintenance costs. Lastly, fire safety. Fire safety is a key feature of Menara U. The building is equipped with fire alarms, sprinklers, hose reel and fire extinguishers, all of which require regular inspection and maintenance. Based on our interview, fire extinguishers are inspected regularly as part of the preventive maintenance program to ensure compliance with safety standards and protect residents.
For the next part is a maintenance policy. This section discusses the maintenance policy implemented at Menara U. Based on the interview conducted with the manager of Menara U applies both preventive and corrective maintenance to ensure that all building facilities, services and system remain in a good conditions. Preventive maintenance is carried out according to a schedule plan to prevent equipment failures and reduce the risk of major damage. Regular inspection and servicing are conducted by both the management team and external service provider. For example, the swimming pool undergoes weekly maintenance including water quality testing, chemical balancing and equipment inspection. Meanwhile, corrective maintenance is performed when defects or malfunctions are identified. Service provider investigate the problem, prepare reports and carry out the necessary repairs. And the responsibility for maintenance depends on the locations of the defect. Issues within private units are handled by the resident, while defects in the common area are managed by the in-house maintenance team itself. Overall, this maintenance policy helps maintain building efficiency, safety and residents' comfort. For the organizational chart, the maintenance and operational structure of the Menara U building is organized into cohesive hierarchy designed to ensure compliance with the Strata Management Act 2013. At the top is the Management Corporation Committee, which oversees strategic decision making and ensure all operations are conducted lawfully and in the best interest of parcel owners. This committee is supported by the Management Office, where the building manager directs day-to-day operations including staff supervision and maintenance oversight, assisted by administrative executive, account personnel for financial matters and technician for system repairs. Furthermore, the building optimizes performance by outsourcing specialized services to external experts. As detailed in table, these contractors provide essential support ranging from security, fire safety system and pest control to maintenance of critical infrastructure like swimming pool, gym equipment and lift system.
And now, I will present our inspection and audit findings for Menara U located in Section 13 Shah Alam. This 13-year-old building is a mixed-use property combining residential and commercial spaces. It is managed under a management corporation with major services outsourced to external contractors. The management office has only 5 staff members, including 2 in-house technicians, and also they implement preventive and corrective maintenance with monthly inspection using physical checklists. Now let me discuss the maintenance gap we found. First, limited in-house manpower. Only 2 technicians handle all daily maintenance tasks for the entire building. This leaves them with insufficient time to address every issue thoroughly. Second, reactive tendency. Although preventive maintenance is planned, corrective maintenance dominates daily operations. Staffing constraints mean preventive tasks are often postponed, creating a reactive culture where problems are only fixed after they occur. Third, outsourcing delays. Major repairs involving lift, air conditioning, fire safety, and escalator depend entirely on external contractors. This leads to longer downtime while waiting for contractor availability. And fourth, manual audit method. The current monthly checklist-based inspection lacks real-time monitoring. Problems may go unnoticed between inspection cycle with no continuous data to support early warning system. Next, like to explain 3 energy and system inefficiencies. First, lack of motion sensors. Light remains on in toilet, corridors and stable when unoccupied. This wastes electricity and increases bill. Second, lift machine room excessively hot. Inadequate ventilation causes heat build-up, accelerating the aging of electronic mechanical, thus reducing lift system reliability. Third, no building management system. Without a centralized PMS, there is no real-time monitoring of energy consumptions. leaving energy management entirely manual.
On top of that, the ways to overcome defect problem, to maintain the structural integrity and aesthetic of Menara U, management must proactively address 4 common building defects as outlined in our group assignment. For pop-up floor tiles caused by poor additions of thermal movement, the solution is to replace broken tiles with the high-quality adhesive and install expansion joints to accommodate natural contractions and expansion. Peeling paint, often triggered by high humidity and moisture, should be mitigated by first dissolving moisture sources and then applying weather-resistant antifungal paint during periodic maintenance cycles. Regarding cracked walls, the approach requires expert structural inspection to distinguish between superficial and structural damage, utilizing epoxy treatments for major fractures or simple fillers for minor ones. Finally, to combat weather-induced deteriorations from intense sunlight and rain, management should apply protective, flexible waterproof coatings to the building envelope, which act as the shield against UV rays and prevent water penetrations that could lead to internal corrosions.
The first issue is limited in-house manpower, as the building has only 2 maintenance technicians. To address this, we recommend implementing a computerized maintenance management system. This system automatically generates work order, schedule preventive maintenance, and stores maintenance record digitally. As a result, technicians can reduce paperwork, manage tasks more efficiently, and spend more time on actual repair work. The second issue is the reactive maintenance tendency. Due to the limited manpower, maintenance is often carried out only after problems occur. The proper solution is to conduct root cause analysis. By identifying and eliminating the root cause of recurring failures, the maintenance teams can reduce repeated breakdowns and gradually shift towards the preventive maintenance approach. The third issue is delays in outsourced repairs. Major repair works require approval process such as quotations, purchase order, and payment authorization, which can take several days. Therefore, we suggest digitalizing the approval workflow. This allows approval and purchase order to be processed faster, reducing downtime for critical systems such as lifts, air conditioning, and fire safety equipment. Lastly, the fourth issue is the manual audit method. We recommend installing IoT sensors on critical assets such as lift motor, pumps, and chillers. These sensors continuously monitor equipment condition and send alert when abnormal readings are detected. This enables the maintenance team to schedule repairs before equipment fails, reducing emergency maintenance, saving labor, and extending asset lifespan.
Next, I will continue for the energy efficient, which is the first issue. Identify the absence of motion sensor in common areas such as toilet, corridors, and stairwells. As a result, light remains switched on even when these areas are occupied, leading to unnecessary energy consumption. And to solve this problem, we recommend installing motion sensor together with LED lighting. This solution can reduce electricity usage, lower maintenance costs, and improve the building's overall energy efficiency. For the second issue is the excessive heat inside the lift machine room. High temperature may cause overheating and reduce the performance of lift equipment. Therefore, the building should improve the ventilation and cooling system by installing exhaust fans or dedicated air conditioning unit. Regular inspection should also be carried out to detect any abnormalities early. This will improve the reliability of the lift system while reducing maintenance costs. And the last issue is for absence of the building management system. Without centralized system, it is difficult to monitor and control building operation efficiently. Therefore, we recommend implementing a BMS to monitor lighting, air conditioning, lift, and other mechanical system in real time. This system can optimize energy consumption, detect faults early, and improve the building's operational efficiency and sustainability.
Moving on, let me explain 5 proposed enhancement strategy. Strategy 1. Design for maintainability. This means designing components to be easy to maintain. Modular parts for lift motor can be quickly replaced like changing a battery. Dedicated MEP shaft provides service corridor for pipes and cables without disturbing the residents. Strategy 2. Enhancing maintenance with IoT sensors. Adding smart sensors to monitor vibration, temperature, and motor speed on lift, pumps, and HVAC system. The system learns what normal operation looks like and alert technician if there is a real problem occur. Improving predictions. Strategy 3. Lift modernization program. 3 upgrades are proposed. First, intelligent door operators with safety sensor to prevent accident. Second, enhanced IoT sensor for real-time monitoring and early issue detection. Third, regenerative drive that capture braking energy and convert it back to electricity, reducing energy consumption. Strategy 4, revenue share model. To fund improvement without using the sinking fund, external provider pay all upfront costs. They receive 40% of verified saving over 5 to 7 years, while Menara U keeps 60% and protect its saving. Strategy 5, IoT for energy efficiency. Form measure includes motion sensor reducing lighting energy by 50% to 70%. Smart HVAC system control adjusted temperature based on occupancy, real-time energy dashboard to detect waste. This will significantly lower monthly electricity.
To conclude that our analysis of Menara U provided critical insight into professional strata building management, we identified the long-term operational success is heavily influenced by the original design phase. When accessibility for repairs is overlooked during design, it leads to higher costs and frequent breakdowns. Our findings underscore that effective management must shift from a reactive to a proactive approach. By implementing well-structured maintenance policies and prioritizing preventive care for critical infrastructure like lift and water system, managers can ensure both safety and longevity. Finally, we conclude that embracing the modern green practices and smart technologies such as IoT sensors is essential. These tools not only detect issues yearly but also drive energy efficiency and smarter budgeting, ultimately ensuring the sustainable performance of high density residential properties.